This is my drawing book. This is me. My name is Odilia. I am 8 years old. I want to be police. This is watermelon. My favorite food is watermelon. It is red color. This is my favorite animal, dog. This is my favorite food, watermelon, mango. This is my favorite
My fruit.
Basket. I put apple, orange, banana, pineapple, and some grapes. Sweet December, I am happy today. This is my Santa Claus. This is Christmas tree. It is green.
It is green.